Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, July the 31st, 2025. A welcome relief rally at the KSE 100, but no follow through. An almost 1,000-point jump, but strong rejection at resistance. The market closed almost exactly where it opened, and the day's gains came only from the big gap up at the open. Let's take a closer look. So, this is where we stand, a 978-point jump for the day, almost 0.71%. But look at the candle. It's a doji. It's not a big green candle as you would expect. And that the reason is a big gap up at the open. As we talked in our last videos, there was exogenous news to be expected. And now that Pakistan has secured a trade deal with the US, there was euphoria in the market and a relief rally. This is where it closed yesterday. This is where it opened today. A 966-point jump, gap up right at the open. After it, the market closed more or less exactly where it opened. Hence the doji on the daily chart. Which is why, even though this was a very good volume, there was strong rejection at a psychological barrier over here, around the 140-200 point, reinforcing presence of overhead supply. ADX has flattened at 47.17. You can see it's no longer rising. So that uptrend has hit a wall over here. MACD, our most telling momentum indicator, is still in a bearish death cross, and the histogram is going down by the day. It's negative, it's red, which shows continued momentum loss. So all said, even though it was with volume, the relief rally could not cause a breakout over the psychological resistance over here. That means the market is still, even though fundamentally bid, it still does not have the momentum needed to break out from here. And even an exogenous push could not do it right now. So our verdict for the day is that because there is rejection candle at resistance with overstretched indicators, the momentum remains weak despite the rising price. So risk of a short-term pullback is now rising. Now that the market has digested the outside news and it's still not broken up, now there is a risk of a short-term pullback in the market. Thank you.